it'll take you to Route 50, which will take you to Washington Dulles. You don't want to take that way. Take this way, which is our Route 7. So, basically you'll see the city when you're coming back. But we're actually, we're going to get for the ILS, which will take us out a little bit here. So let me load this flight plan here. Flight plan. Actually, you do it. Do direct KJYO. KJYO.
Went the long way around. Okay.
Yeah. JYO.
Winchester traffic, Saratoga 54 Yankee, downwind for runway 14, touch go, Winchester.
Okay, 172 Romeo Hotel.
JYO. Juliet Yankee Oscar.
Touch you go. Okay. Frame Bride.
I know that Y's in there somewhere. Just do it nice and slow. Don't rush it.
Winchester traffic, 09 Bravo, left downwind.
And Winchester traffic, Skyhawk 810, starting from crosswind 2
Then
down. Looking for the other traffic.
Winchester traffic, Saratoga 54 Yankee, turning base, left base, runway 14, Winchester.
Okay, good. And activate. Yep, good. That's fine. Now, next thing to do is go into procedure. Okay, select approach, enter. Okay, and then enter ILS, right? Then vectors is good. Activate. Yeah. Okay, and enter. You can put 6. That's fine. And use the big knob to select activate.
Let you go, Carroll County.
Okay, activate there. Yeah. That's a yes. Great. And I'm going to hit direct to Danmo right here, because that's where we're going to go. And then I'm just going to put this on the GPS right there, and we're basically headed towards it. So it automatically selected your 111.75 down there. So once we get to Danmo, let's see if you can see what it looks like here. That's what it looks like there. See?
So we're going to go there. Are
you take controls? And creeped up a little too high. Just get back down to 3,000. And I'll start setting up your frequencies for you.
Leesburg Executive Airport. Automated weather observation 2045 Zulu weather wind 200 at 7 visibility 10 clear below 12,000 temperature 7 Celsius dew point -5 altimeter 3029er. Welcome to Leesburg.
Okay, 3029er. Why don't you go and set that on the barrow? 3029er. Very good. We can slow it down just a little bit too.
Leesburg traffic, 7280 Pop.
All right, remember squawk at 1226. That's always important too, right?
Leesburg traffic, Skyventures 260 is the Cougar. We are 6 miles to the north now. Practice RNAV for 17, full stop at Leesburg. Leesburg traffic, 7280 Papa, 15 miles northwest, inbound, runway
Traffic 12 o'clock, no factor.
What's up?
Traffic 12 o'clock.
Okay, stay to the right of them, if you're able to.
Leesburg traffic, Skyventures 216, we're at Skyhawk. 9 miles to the west-northwest, inbound for Leesburg, looking for the other traffic.
These chairs aren't comfortable, I'll tell you that. Oh shit, my bag is...
Leesburg traffic, Diamond Skyventures 241 clear 17 Leesburg.
Leesburg traffic.
I stayed at fly though, right?
It is a nice day. It's always a nice day to fly.
That's right.
14 miles to the northwest, inbound for landing 17 Leesburg.
Alright, Skyventure 216, we're just over Hamilton now, inbound for runway 17 Leesburg.
Hey Mike, where are you on the RNAV?
Ventures 260, we are about a 3.5 mile final for 17, full stop at Leesburg.
Okay, that's great. 571 Delta Sierra is 14 out to the west will be direct ammo intersection for practice ILS, runway 17.
Leesburg traffic, 728 Sierra Papa, 10 miles northwest inbound, runway 17, Leesburg traffic.
That's our airport over there, you see it? So the, where the white hangars are, the 3 white hangars.
The northwest inbound on practice RNAV 1.
The little white water tower off to the right. A little small white water tower there. It's like right at your 1 o'clock position. And then Washington Dulles is that big one over there.
And we're just inside the Cactus inbound.
Leesburg, Skyventure 216, Skyhawk, 5 miles to the northwest on the 45 for the upwind, runway 17.
You start getting closer to Danmo, you're going to hit CDI for nav source 1, okay? Or localizer 1.
Ventures 260 is now a 1.5 mile final, full stop 17 at Leesburg.
Big Mike.
So at Danmo, I don't know where you disappeared. Did you have the localizer on here by any chance? Did I give you that? No, I didn't give you that, did I? No, ILS 17.
Top 2 radio.
Never mind. So at Danmo, we'll be about 2,100 feet.
25 is on the RNAV for 17. We are 4 miles from Danmo, straight in.
Have to be at 2,100 feet at Danmo?
Yeah, so what we're going to do is, tell you what, you can descend now down to, we'll say 21. Yeah, go ahead, 21. Good, yep, excellent. Okay, I got the traffic that just popped up on, it's pretty close to Danmo. Yeah, this is traffic 571 Delta Sierra is approximately 7 miles from Danmo intersection for the practice ILS coming up from the west.
Alright, you got a guy on the RNAV, we are 2.7 from Danmo.
Okay, I think he'll make it before we will, but we'll look out for you. We'll be at your 3 or 4 o'clock position.
Leesburg traffic, Skyhawk 728 Sierra Papa, 5 miles northwest, inbound, runway 17, upwind.
Leesburg, Skyventure 216, a 1.5 miles, joining.
He's right there, you see him?
I got him.
That one right there.
I got one low here.
It might even be here. Where do you see him?
I got one low here coming about my,
Factor here? Yeah, he's here, right here. Yep, that's good. As long as you got him, he's going away from us.
okay, he's going away from us.
But the guy that we got to worry about is right. There's 2 of them actually. There's one that's right there.
I got the first one in sight there.
Yeah, that's him. That's him. So stay to the left of him, Fable.
I got both of them.
Yeah, that one looks closer. So just let's stay to the left. Well, do is I'll switch your localizer here. Actually, CDI, there it is. Yeah, you see the smaller one? The other one's going towards...
16, turning crosswind, runway 17.
Yeah, we should be right at your 3 o'clock on the traffic for the RNAV. Right at your altitude. 4 o'clock now, we're passing behind you. We're going to come behind you.
Copy. Leesburg traffic, Skyventure 225 is Danma inbound on the RNAV, going to be a full stop, please.
Just let's slow it down as much as we can. And we'll kind of fall in behind him.
17, full stop.
Guy right there?
Yep, exactly.
Okay.
You can go ahead and turn to a heading of 140 and intercept the localizer.
Upwind, Leesburg traffic. Upwind for runway 17, Leesburg traffic.
Leesburg, Skyventure 216 is on a high, turning left base, runway 17. I don't see any RNAV traffic.
And then just follow the glide slope coming in, okay?
Gotcha.
Glide slope localizer. Alright, landing lights coming on, strobe lights, we good. We're fuel to the fullest tank. Let me just switch it over. Pump is on.